How to set up Dyno Bot's auto rules. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can set up Dyno Bot's auto rules. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is search for dyno.gg. After you search for dyno.gg, you'll be on this page right here. So first you'll need to add Dyno on your server. So tap on add to server right here, then you can simply add it to your server. So here you can see it's available for premium, custom, and many other stuff. So I'll just head over to this free for everyone option and add it to my server. With that, it should open up my Discord. And now all I have to do is select the server and scroll down a bit and then tap on continue. Then select what permissions that you want to give to Dyno Bot. Then tap on authorize. Now go to the CAPTCHA. And after you go through the CAPTCHA, you can then simply continue to this. So right here, you can make sure that your Dyno Bot is added successfully. So let's head over to this server, and there you can see the Dyno Bot is now successfully added. Now what you can do is go to the dashboard of your Dyno, which will automatically open up when you set it up. So right here, let it load. And while this loads, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So right here you can see this is the Dyno Bot's dashboard. So I'll just tap on next, and done. Basically, so now what you can do is you can add, automate rules. So here you can see auto rules. So let's head over to settings. To add auto rules, what you can do is you can select a rule that you want, make sure that you have set up rules on your Discord server, then you can find those rules here. So let's say that you have a rule of long-term members. So select that rule, and let's say that you want people who have been here for 100 minutes to be given that rule. Do that, simply select add rules, then tap on add. After doing that, the rule will get added, and whenever people will have spent 100 minutes or been on your server for 100 minutes, they will automatically be set the rule that you selected here. And that's basically how you do this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.